Assalamu alaikum. How are all of you? I hope you will be fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today we are starting English speaking practice with the help of short stories. If you have knowledge of best grammar and vocabulary, you can describe your stories in your own words. You can describe any type of phrase, any type of sentences in your own words if you have knowledge about grammar and vocabulary. Today we are describing a short story of honeybee and housefly in our own words. Listen it carefully. You can also do it when you have knowledge. Once upon a time, there lived two friends, honeybee and housefly. They were best friends. They lived together. They always remained together. They played together. But their work was totally different from one another. Honeybee collected juices of different flowers whole day and deposited it in the form of honey in honeycomb. She remained busy whole day in her work. On the other hand, housefly flew here and there. She sat on heaps of rubbish, dirty things, rotten fruits, vegetables, and collected germs, and spread these germs when she sat on clean water, fresh food, fruits, vegetables. These germs caused different diseases in human beings. So people said badly about housefly. People hated housefly. While when honey is formed in honeycomb, people took this honey from honeycomb and used it in different ways. They ate honey as healthy food, as remedy of different diseases, and said good things about honeybee because honey is very good for health of people. They used it as a diet because it was nutritious for them. They used it as a medicine for different purpose. In short, housefly's nature was to produce diseases and honeybee's nature was to cure diseases. So people said badly for housefly and good things for honeybee. One day housefly became sick due to these germs. Then she realized that what was she doing with others. In our society, there are two kinds of people. One kind of people is like honeybee, they care of other people, and second type of people is like housefly. They always try to damage others. So as a good person of society, you should be like honeybee. You should take care of others because if you will do good for others, you will have always good from others. It is life and your life will be happy if you will help others and if you will be the cause of happiness of others. You will be happy also.